ranking Jane Mukbang's beautiful pastry.
Okay, let's try the peanut one first. Oh my god. This is 100 out of 10. Up next, we have a vanilla bean. It literally tastes like a vanilla bean. This is delicious. I think you guys understand how happy I am. I feel like I'm in heaven right now. Okay, up next we have a walnut. It's nice and spongy. You could definitely taste the walnut. We have this big cacao. And this was like around $200. Props to the chef and the baker. This is absolutely delicious. Up next we have this raspberry one.
Honestly, cake artists are getting way too powerful.